Aquaba returnees. This is Adrian Essie Cook, and this is the Returnees. And today we're going to be looking at the Volta River and canoeing. The Volta River is the main river system in Ghana. It flows south into Ghana from Burkina Faso and further south to Ada Foa into the Atlantic Ocean. The Volta River has been dammed at Akosombo for the purpose of generating hydroelectricity. The reservoir, named Lake Volta, stretches from Akosombo Dam in the south to the northern part of the country and is the largest man-made reservoir by the area in the world. Today, we're looking at the part of the Volta River that is south of the Akosombo Dam at the Adomi Bridge. The Adomi Bridge crosses the Volta River south of the Akosombo Dam. This particular area is great for canoeing and also kayaking as the water is quite calm. I myself have taken the canoe across this particular area and found it quite refreshing. This is a great trip for returnees, for individuals and families, and I hope that you're able to partake of this opportunity. Thank you very much and enjoy this short video on the Volta River.